To send a message to all of your followers on Skillshare, you first want to be logged in. You can then click on Teach and then scroll down to Post to all followers. Go ahead and click on that. Then you're just going to see this little box, Add a Discussion. Here's where you're going to put in your message. So just click in that box, and here opens up all the text editing options, including adding media. You can add pictures, links, a project, or your Skillshare class. So here's where you're going to type out your full message, and then you have the option to post, which will alert your followers that you made a post, and you can also send an email to all your students. Now, I would recommend using this extremely wisely. You want to be careful not to email your students too much, or they're probably going to unfollow you, so you can't have that ability anymore. You do have the option to create an email subject line, which will show up when you send them an email. So when you have content in there, in the email subject and in the body of the email, you can click Post. And remember, that will send it to all your students and notify them on Skillshare. If this video has been helpful, please do give us a like and also consider subscribing to the How to Livable channel. Once again, I'm Michael Lukes, and thanks for watching.